Hi everybody, this is Douglas. I'm here to look at another chess puzzle that we have here with the rook and bishop endgame. So I've got the 3 pawns, 2 pawns, 5 to 4 pawn majority, and they look to have a better king position here. So, okay, I need to move my rook. I can't put him in check anywhere because if I go to e5 or f6, it's just going to take it. Okay. Well, looks okay. If you want to pause the video here. Alright, so I think that it's just take the bishop with the rook. Then they're going to take my rook, and then I take with my pawn, and I'm up. So that's a mistake there. Alright, so there you have it. Alright, let's go to the next puzzle. Alright, so now we are black. They're threatening there. A couple of things. Taking the pawn with the queen. What do I have? I have my queen to protect as a last-ditch effort. No, I don't. Oh, I'm going to get a piece. Alright, so I move my pawn up. Then he takes. Then I take. That's checkmate, right? Let's see, any other best solution? That's one of the things that I've learned too, is always look for another better move. If you want to pause the video here, I think that's what it is. Alright, let's go with the pawn. Pawn up, queen, incorrect. So I was either thinking that or putting the queen up, takes, checkmate. Not sure what the, oh, that's still wrong. Oh, because they're going to put me in check. Right. Alright, so maybe I need to move my pawn up first. Nope. Let's see. That's surprising. Maybe it's just going up here? Nope. Alright, so tricky situation here. Figure this out. I already tried the queen up and the pawn up. Pawn up there. Retreating. What would you do? Some of these are obvious and some of these are tricky. Just take. There you go. And then queen. That's it. Alright. Thanks for checking out this puzzle. These are a little bit obvious sometimes. Sometimes they're tricky, but you know, you try different things and it ends up working out. Thanks for watching.